The second day of the 18th Lok Sabha today began with the newly elected MPs, including the Shillong and Tura MPs, Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkon and Saleng A. Sangma respectively, taking oaths as members of the House. Senior BJP MP Om Birla will be the NDA nominee for the Lok Sabha Speaker, while the opposition India bloc has fielded Congress MP K. Suresh for the post. Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid homage to all those men and women who resisted the emergency of 1975. The Central Bureau of Investigation has taken over 5 cases from Bihar, Gujarat and Rajasthan to investigate the alleged irregularities in the NEET UG examinations. The first meeting of the high-level committee of experts constituted by the Ministry of Education to ensure transparent, smooth and fair conduct of the examinations through the National Testing Agency was held yesterday.